What's up, everyone? So I just want to show you a real quick tip what I do in the springtime. Now that it's getting a lot warmer out, my flowers are starting to finally pop up a little bit, as you can see here. So, cleanup is really important for new spring growth. Now, if we look over here, you can kind of see the dead pieces are still here. If they're loose, just pull them out. That's the best thing you can do for a healthy flower or plant in the springtime. Just get this debris away from it, and you can see these buds are starting to pop up here. So I'm going to get some Milorganite down on here and really start to push growth now that it's starting to get nice and warm out here. What I do is I take a little bucket and I put my Milorganite in it. And I'll take a scooper like this. And we'll just put a couple scoops in there. Milorganite's perfectly safe. I don't need to wear gloves with this, but you can if you want to. All you do is just shake a little bit on there. It doesn't have to be an exact science because this stuff will not burn. You can go nuts with it if you want to. And this will feed it for about 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks or so. Once it gets watered in, these things will really start taking off pretty soon. So same thing over here, you can kind of see these are popping up. Pull these loose bits off. This one might not have made it. It might have been crushed from snowpack during the winter time. It wasn't looking too good last year. So things are starting to really come alive now. Even over here, we'll pull these off, get these sticks out of the way, and it's starting to pop up. So that's really the key here, just get things cleaned up as best you can. You can compost this, throw it away, whatever. Anyway, that's just a quick tip for today. Please like, subscribe, or comment. Thanks for watching. Got my helper here to put down some Milorganite. Okay, that one's already got some. Put it on this one. Just a tiny bit. Just shake it like this. Alright, that's good. Let's go to the next plant. Go down here.